Frank with OxygenGuy.com, and today we're talking about can you buy a Cpap machine over the counter, one of these bad boys. So can you just walk into a store somewhere and just get one with no prescription, or order one online? Now, is it possibly somebody could sell you one, maybe a used one under the table or something, but the truth is they're not allowed to. It's illegal to sell these. The FDA has declared that illegal to sell these without a prescription, because you're supposed to be under doctor's orders, and they're supposed to be monitoring and making sure you have the proper settings and such, making sure there's testing to make sure that you're supposed to have this machine and what the proper settings are. So the correct answer is no, it's illegal, and you cannot buy one of these legally over the counter. But with that being the case, that doesn't mean that there could be a location nearby that can sell you one for cash, an actual, medical location, a supplier with your doctor's prescriptions. And that shouldn't be hard to get a hold of. You just call your doctor, hey, I need a new machine. Say you're out of the insurance period. You just call them up, get your script, and go get it. Now the truth is though, for most plans and Medicare and such, 5 years and you should be getting another machine anyways. But there are circumstances here and there where that's not necessarily the case. So with that being the case, you can't just order it willy-nilly, but get your script, and then you can go online, or you can go into a local location, take your insurance card, and get yourself another machine. You should be good to go. All right, I'm Frank, OxygenGuy.com. You have a great day. We'll see you soon. Like the video if you like it. Any comments, leave them down below, and we'll see you soon. Have a good one.